So this vehicle was misfiring. Do you know why? Well, we found the unlikely cause, a failed PCV valve. So then what is a PCV valve? Well, a PCV valve is a positive crankcase ventilation valve. Its purpose is to ventilate blow-by gases that accumulate in your crankcase and redirect them back into your intake manifold. But not only that, it has the ability to moderate how much of those gases enter into your intake manifold. It works by using the vacuum inside your intake manifold along with the spring and a diaphragm on the inside to control just how much of those gases get redirected. So when your car is idling, basically none of those gases get redirected back into your intake manifold to prevent your car from running too lean. However, this changes when you apply the accelerator or when you increase your speed. It increases the flow of those gases into your intake manifold and allows it to be burned with your air-fuel mixture.